Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to our video here today on X Empire. The next thing we're all looking up tonight is X Empire. So I'm going to talk to you about the X Empire airdrop. Remember, in the next 6 days, okay, 5 days from today, 29th of this month, mining stops. The next thing is listing, which will be happening around 15th of next month. Now, let me claim my daily claim. If you look at what I have here, what you are seeing here, I have, okay, let me go to the daily claim first. I want to show you something. My daily claim for today is 67.2 billion coins. Somebody say, wow, I'm sure maybe some of us watching now, when you go for your daily claim, it's still in thousands. My own is something billion. So that is what matters. You know, what are you doing to improve earnings? It's part of what I want to teach you, because you need all of these things. Now, if you look at my total whatever here is 3 point something trillion tokens. That's the 3 trillion 334 billion 339 whatever 403 million. Look at it. That's what you're seeing there. Now I'm already at this level 22. I'm going to increase, because this is what you must be doing. It's very important you do these things, because when you are increasing these areas, that's what helps you to maximize profit, increase your profit per hour, which is one of the key things they're going to consider when making those payments. It's okay. So this profit per hour, part of how you increase it is by improving your cards. And now, it's not just improving your cards. You should know the kind of cards you'll be talking about. Let me show you something right now. Now, I want to go to city, not city, improve. Okay, let me start from here. Let me just use this. Now I click on improve 5 different skills. So let me go to team. Look at the kind of cars I use. Cars that, even though it costs much, but it helps me to get something done. Now I'm going to go for this card. This card is going to cost 2 trillion. But it's going to give me a profit per hour of 9 billion plus. So I'm going to go for it. I click on this. Automatically, I'm going to go to the next level. I'm very sure of that. You see, I've gone to level 23, industry disruptor. So I'm good. I'm now at level 23. And at that point too, my profit per hour has increased to 31.3 billion. You know what this means? Every 3 hours I'm offline, I will be earning 90-something billion coins for being outside. I don't need to. So once I come, I collect it. Now I'm at level 23. See if I can go to level 24 before the stopping of this mining. So my com balance, I return to this now. So I can see there are a lot of things you set up. Like, let me go mining this, claiming these coins. You see what I set it? I put my coins per tap is on 374,000 coins per tap. So your own, some people now, their own is still 2, 3. These are things you must improve. Improve these things, because that's what makes you to mine faster and gain all of these advantages. I know somebody might be saying, didn't you do all of this, but Hamster paid through referrals more, they didn't do all of this. No, it's not in every case. Now, if you want to improve all of this, see what you do, go to improve, go to mining. That's where you're going to see how to energy extra. If I want to increase that energy extra, I'm going to do this. Profit per tap, energy recovery, bonus extra, bonus size. This is where you do all of this. If I want to increase this area where you have, whenever this thing feed up, is around 80 million or billion. If I want to increase it, I just go there and click on this mining area, and then increase this energy fill up, energy extra. It will fill up, but it's going to cost me this. For me now, this is nothing. I can easily spend this and get more of this. I can increase so many of these things. So that's exactly how this is work. So now let me show you the key thing that will help you to qualify for airdrop. It's there already. Now I click on airdrop. Look at what the system said. Now the key thing is here, number 1, the total amount of in-game currency. So you have earned throughout the game. So all this 3 billion, 3 trillion you're seeing is not a joke. You need to get as much as you can get. Now your hourly income, that is that profit per hour. So you need to increase it. Buy bigger, improve on bigger packages. Look for something big, improve it. Then the number of friends you have invited to the game. It doesn't stop here. Then the other 2 things are, you must have connected your wallet and they must have made that ton transaction. Those of you who have not made it, don't joke, please. They are charging 0.5 tons for this ton transaction. Make sure you do it before 29. Very, very important. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I'll be able to help you. It's not free. I'm not saying I'm going to do it free. But if you don't know how to buy ton or whatever, I can collect money from you, help you buy, and guide you on what to do. You need to set up this, please. If you didn't get much from Hamster Combat, let not the same thing repeat when it comes to Musk or X Empire. This is very important. So go through this video. If you have a question, ask. Can give you some follow-up videos that will guide you in anything you want to do. So this is exactly what you do right now. Do this, and let's get prepared for October 15th listing of this token. I stop at this moment. I wish you the best. If you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.